Now I'm going to take you to a little more sublime place. That's kind of a rough and ready place. This is a song that has some great changes in it, and is definitely in the blues idiom. Riviera Paradise, Stevie Ray Vaughan. Starts out with an E minor to an A13, then flat, F sharp major 7 or F major 7th, really nice change, to a G13, F major 7th, to that G again, and then just flatten it, E flat major 7th, and then you do a B, and then that to an E minor. And sometimes I'll do this chord. That's basically an E minor with an F sharp in it. See that F sharp there? It's a very kind of mystic chord. Okay? So that's pretty much it. So let me play that through for you slowly so you get the changes. So you got the chords, right? E minor, A, F, G, E flat, and then it's got like a B 7th, or whatever that is, it's a 9th, I guess. And it walks down. You get your D note and your C note on your B string, you go. And then your E minor. You can use your harmonic too. Just a beautiful song Stevie Ray wrote. And then just flatten it. To the G. To an E flat, major 7th. To your B with that added D note, C note and the B, and then down to your E. So if you're playing that song with a friend or whatever, and you got somebody playing your rhythm, you can go up here. You can work in your E zone. That works. Again, I'm just going to encourage you to really improvise and work around that. But I think those are just beautiful chord changes. And the way it resolves, just a really, really great song. And that's our number 3 of this little batch of our electric songs. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. Make sure you check out all the links in the description below where you can get free gifts and access to more lessons.